Alright, so picking up where we left off yesterday. We're going to start with number 14.
Wait, we didn't finish 10.
Yeah, we did.
Yes, we did.
It was just
we didn't have to solve it.
Oh.
Now we have to actually do it.
Alright, so triangle is given to you in these ones.
It's a weird triangle. Oh, ew, what did I do to my triangle, Charles?
Oh.
Crossed it. Why does my triangle look like this?
A triangle actually looks
You suck.
Alright, so that's just what they gave you in the book.
That is definitely 90 degrees on my paper, but...
So what are the instructions?
Solve the triangle.
81.
Well, we can find angle degrees.
So how do I find angle B?
You could either do
Angle
C
side.
or like the...
How do I find it?
I don't know.
360.
180.
All the angles add up to 360.
Oh, like
That
that.
angle B.
We're stuck on circles. I'm sorry, I can't.
180 minus 81 minus 33.
It's okay. We're stuck on circles. It's 39.
So 39 degrees is B.
Did that.
The other pieces I need to find are side A and side B.
I don't like that song.
What scenario was I given?
Oh, wait.
One
Angle,
triangle.
side,
Angle, side.
Oh, like
Angle, side. So, how many triangles do I have?
One. There you go. I got that one.
Okay, so there has to only be one triangle. So, now what? To find the other pieces. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start with side A. So,
Oh, is that Gerald?
Hey,
no, Gerald's at home.
Yeah, that's brick.
Alright, A over the sine of 33 is equal to 26 over the sine of 81. So A equals 26 sine of 33 over the sine of 81.
Can I put Rick on my dad?
As long as you don't throw him. Millie. I also ordered monkeys that were supposed to be here yesterday, but they didn't come in.
That's awesome.
There's like a teal, a pink, a purple, and I think like a brown one. I don't know. They're fun.
Monkeys are fun.
I almost ordered a chicken and a hippo too.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Like
See these
five.
It just depends.
It's like a yellow chicken with like a red beak. And it's
But I have a cow
Is
obsession,
it a
so
rooster or is it a hen?
a hen.
hopefully my
We're running the
calculator
whole numbers,
isn't
right?
Huh?
Whole numbers?
Yeah.
I'm not used to doing that.
Alright, we're about to find out if my
14.
44.
Well, we're just running whole numbers.
Oh,
But I got what you got.
Alright, and then side B, I'm going to try to keep it all on the same screen here, so I'm going to put it over here to the side. So B over the sine of 39 equals, I'm going to still use the C information because that was all given to me. 26 over the sine of 81. So B equals 26 sine of 39 over the sine of 81.
Okay.
17.
There you go. You solved your triangle.
I really need my paper to like make a perfect box like that.
Oh, that's so satisfying. Okay. Mine is just. Looks like my sister did it.
All right. So I'm going to move down and do some of the ones where they don't give you the triangle already drawn for you. 18. Told that angle A is 73 degrees, side A is 18, and side B is 11.
So should we draw a triangle?
So angle A, side B is what we were given.
That's the weirdest triangle I've ever drawn.
Why? Why is that necessary?
All right, so I was given angle, side, and a side.
So other way around. Side angle.
So it's a side angle. And how many triangles am I gonna have? Oh, let me back up. Is it acute or obtuse? Acute. So is A greater than or equal to B?
Greater than.
Okay, the answer is yes. So,
What?
What? You said is it greater than or equal to B?
yeah, it's a yes or no question because that's one of the options. Is it's greater than or equal to?
Oh, I thought you meant greater than or equal
Oh.
to. So like.
So how many triangles is it? One. So it's gonna be one triangle.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, we went to Mrs. Marshall yesterday. We were like, it does exist. And she's like, it's not my fault. She wants to teach you bad words.
All right, so I'm ultimately trying to find angle B, angle C, and side C. So I always like to put over to the side what I'm trying to find
See?
so that I make sure I get everything. So what do I need to do first? What's the only thing I can do at the moment?
The sign thing?
Oh, but I mean, what's the only piece that I can actually find
Oh,
with the given
C,
information?
Side C. Wait.
Angle B.
You have
What?
to side B.
So sine of B over 11 is equal to sine of 73 over 18. Sine of B equals 11 sine 73 over 18. And then to get rid of sine, we take the inverse. So B is equal to the inverse sine of 11 sine 73 over 18.
Why can't you find anything else?
Because we don't have the
Because
side
I don't
to
have
see.
pieces to do it.
It's just like worse. Now.
36
We can find the angle C.
degrees.
So, yeah, we can find the angle
I
C,
get that
so then
part.
we have a P.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so then I can now find angle C
Give you a piece of
by doing what?
like subtract 180 subtracted by all that voodoo stuff.
It's not voodoo.
Is which
Mine
So
one?
today is Mardi Gras.
Oh.
It is see?
Hence my shirt.
It's what day?
Mardi Gras.
Oh.
It's Louisiana. Well, I mean, it's
Mardi Gras.
a big
Ew.
Louisiana thing. Your Crocs are Mardi Gras. Also, we did the same thing.
Yeah.
It's Mardi Gras. Guys.
Ew. This is
There's an S there.
Just some
It
really
should be
good
a-
food that comes with it, and it's great.
I already know my dad and my grandma live on wild. Because they live in
71 degrees. Well,
I didn't know we were supposed to.
Yeah, in Louisiana, they get basically 2 spring breaks because they get a Mardi Gras break and a spring
get a
break, so they're
Mardi
off
Gras
like half
break
of
now?
this week.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
My cousins were like, "We'll come up and go to Busch Gardens," and I was like, "I'm not off work."
Oh. That's bad.
You should just
It's
take
okay.
off work.
Yeah, it's kind of frowned upon considering how much time I've been off this year. So
Well, that one of the whole weeks in the beginning of the year was like you were sick.
well, yes, but I mean, if we weren't if classes weren't behind, because we missed a week at the beginning, then you missed a week when I was out, then we missed another week when I was out. So
How far behind are we? Cause in the 13.5 video, you said like at that time last year y'all should have been like done with chapter 14.
yeah,
So, like how far behind are we?
we should be almost done with chapter 14 by now.
We didn't even do chapter 5.
Yeah. But it's fine. All right, we'll get there. As long as you get through trig, the other stuff is like, doesn't really matter. I mean, it does, but it doesn't. All right, so how do I find side C now?
Then you can do sine.
I don't know.
Pythagoras.
Something. I don't know.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
I
We
have
could.
Triangle.
C over sine 71 equals. We'll go with A because that's given. So 18 over sine 73.
So C equals 18 sine 71 over sine 73.
Easy. Easy stuff. What? Just saying. Just go with it. 18.
Yep.
I'm not going with that.
How can you function well?
Are you not a morning person?
No.
I'm not a morning person
I
either,
just
but I
do it.
function
Like unless
well
I
when
get
I
an
wake
energy
up.
drink or something, that's the only time I'm morning.
Once I'm awake, I'm fine.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah.
process of getting up that is difficult
Yeah,
for
it takes me like 15 minutes just to get up.
I'd rather stay up late.
All right,
Yeah, I'm more of a night owl.
22. A is 55 degrees, B is 64 degrees, and little c is 34.
I was pretty bad.
What?
The cow's pretty fat.
No.
No, it's not.
But
No.
I
It's a
like
skinny
fat
cow.
animals.
Like the ice cream.
Yeah, you don't want to fat shame the animal.
It's in the
Fat
air.
animals are cuter.
Fat animals are tasty too.
Exactly.
That's true. All right.
I mean, I'm not a vegetarian, but like,
I'm not. They're cute while they're alive, but like sometimes I'm just kind of.
I'm not gonna kill them personally. But like, if somebody else wants
Yeah,
to,
yeah.
so we can have a burger, I'm okay with it.
I saw a video of someone feed a burger to a cow. They were like, come here, and like,
Like,
it
here,
ate
eat your second cousin.
it. And I was like,
That's terrible.
I was like,
I
is
I actually
amazing.
saw like how like the farmers actually like killed like cows. They literally just like go up to them with like a gun or something, just like straight to the head, and then they just drop dead.
What? Like, what do the other cows think?
No, it's not like an
Like,
actual
my
gun.
turn.
It's like a
Yeah.
gun that shoots like a pole out and it goes into their head.
Yeah, it's not like an actual like gun.
Do
But it
all
just
like do
shoots them in
different
the head.
slaughter places
And
do it differently,
and the-
or like do they always
Probably.
do it
Some of them like slit their throat.
Sounds more painful. I don't
Well,
know.
yeah, the video I saw, the farmer just had like.
They won't remember.
I don't know. It's not
Yeah.
happening.
I mean, you know, if you enjoy hot dogs, don't ever go watch how a hot dog is made.
I don't like them. I
It's not
Actually,
just like
hot
the
dogs are
leftover of a
pretty
pig slit
it's
into
the
like.
that's the leftover of every animal. Just unless you get all beef, I guess. But like you never know what slides in there. Did you know the FDA allows a certain amount of bugs in our food? Yeah. You know what
I've been
gelatin's
eating
made of?
bugs.
That's why things that are
That's
sugar,
one
yeah,
thing.
things
No,
that are
just
sugar free
stop.
aren't necessarily really sugar free. If there's less than some amount per serving, you don't have to claim that it's got sugar in it.
I'm eating corn dogs for lunch, so let's.
Artificial vanilla from the anal gland of beaver.
Oh, I knew that. It's basically
Alright.
It tastes good. And
My
On that note,
My parents just tell me
As long as
stop
I don't
telling
see
me
the
these
method,
things, and I'm like, I
It tastes
can't.
good and I'm still alive. So.
As long as
Alright.
I don't see the method of how it's made, I'm fine.
what scenario do I have?
Angle
Side.
Side.
Angle
ASA.
side. Angle.
Side.
Angle, side,
Asa.
angle.
Wait.
Wait.
God. Oh my God.
Josh. That's on video.
Good job, Josh.
I'm going back and watching
He said.
I'm not repeating it.
Okay. On that note,
I'm sorry.
so how many triangles do I have?
One.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I can't.
Today is amazing.
So don't abbreviate anything.
Yeah.
Or at least don't verbalize the abbreviations.
Please. Don't.
Alright, so what can I do first?
You can find angle C.
Angle C. See that, Josh.
So 180 minus 55 minus 64.
55 minus
61.
Wow.
So 61 degrees.
Alright, so now what do we do now?
I don't know. Somebody tell me.
I don't know. I don't know how you get
Oh,
all that.
well,
Well, we
Try to
had
find the
A,
angle
so
B.
we got the angle A, so maybe we should do.
Whoa, wait. Oh, you wrote.
What am I trying to find?
I thought that was a.
Okay, so look, so this is the thought process. What letter do I have the side and the angle for?
Wait, what?
What letter do I have both
A.
the side and the angle for?
C.
C in this case, okay? I need to find A and B.
Never mind.
Okay,
I thought
so
really
I
was.
know that I am going to use C, even though C didn't have all given information, okay? That's the only thing that I have both pieces of, okay? I need to find side A and side B. It doesn't matter which one I choose to do first. I usually just go in alphabetical order. So I want to find A, so I'm going to do A over the sine of A, which is the sine of 55, equals, I said that I have all the C parts, so 34 over the sine of 61.
Wait, how'd you get that?
It's the C part.
Oh,
I'm
you
blanked out for a
can
second.
say that it's equal to that because of the law of sines.
So then A is equal to 34 sine of 55 over the sine of 61.
I wrote 60.
I have to make sure my calculator's in the right mode and stuff because my brother was using it for physics. It should be.
Physics.
He
Well,
lost his calculator.
He should only be doing it in
30.
degrees for physics.
Well, let me check this. He probably was.
Because he was asking me about some problems last night.
I really was going. Let me just.
Find his own calculator.
So,
I just printed it out.
I'm understanding what to do now, guys.
Alright, so now somebody tell me how to set up B.
B over sine of 64 equals
Ugh.
34 over
34?
sine of 61. Yeah, stand for it. I was like, nah.
So then B is equal to 34 sine of 64 over the sine of 61.
Thank you.
I really took a minute there, Jake.
Okay, I still take a long time writing things down.
Hey, you get when you get the answer.
Do you want us to separate our answers? Like, well,
I know.
that doesn't really make sense, but
I see you over there
basically-
just like. Okay,
I put
I'm
all of
writing
them,
it
like-
down.
That's fine.
Okay.
If you have all wow. If you have all 6 things there, that's fine.
Oh, we got cutters.
So it's a girl.
Wait, don't.
All cows are
Males have
girls.
udders too. They
No,
just.
wait,
No, they
all
don't.
cows are
No,
girls.
they don't.
All cows are girls.
Wait, all cows are girls.
Yeah, all cows are
You
girls.
said you said male cows have
Eaters.
Wait, so this is they're all girls
Yeah.
then. So this
It can
can't
still
be
be
Rick.
I know a girl named. No, I know.
Yeah, you
Shut
don't.
up.
I know a dude named Ashley.
So that's not Rick.
I know.
Ashley's kind of like.
I know a guy
Like you
named
could just
Sasha.
nickname it to
Is it Ashley or like Ashley, like Rick Astley?
Yeah.
Ashley.
I know a guy named Sasha.
I know a dog named
I know a dog named
How is
Martha.
that relevant?
I have an aunt named Martha.
I know a dog named Martha and she speaks.
I have a aunt named
Wow.
Martha. Oh, ha.
Wait, how do you blow
Wow,
your
they.
nose?
Oh,
You like
Oh,
oh,
ha.
Isn't there a band? Isn't there a band called that? Huh?
Huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Ha,
Jake's like, oh, I know. Hades.
Alright.
No.
What?
Take it off your
Shave
snob.
off.
Yeah, just take it off. Take it off. Take it.
That's not.
That does not sound.
That's what they do on the Masked Singer.
Yeah, but
That's not.
Yes. It was a real thing.
so what exactly are they supposed to do with Masked Singer?
Sing.
Sing.
I know, but like,
while
Is
they're
it like the
dancing.
worst one gets cut off or something?
Yeah, the people vote in the audience, and like they vote for the favorite one, and the one with the least votes gets voted off.
oh,
It's
so
like
that's what
Survivor.
it is.
So it's Among Us.
Wait.
That's not like Survivor.
Wrong one.
Survivor's the most amount of
Equal
votes
side,
from your tribe mates.
Oh.
Angle side side.
Okay.
Side angle. We're not going down that route.
Wait,
Yeah.
why is it side side angle?
Because those were the given pieces.
Okay, but why isn't it ankle side side?
What
Well,
does that
it
look like?
is. It's just the way you write it is side angle.
Get with the
What does that
Because
look
don't
like
write
when you
angle
say
side
AS?
down on your paper.
You will get marked on.
Alright, so acute or obtuse?
Obtuse.
Obtuse. So what scenario do I have?
It's not in the, what, that's not?
A is less.
Yeah, the A is the C is less than the A.
So, yeah.
Keep in mind that in our normal scenario that we have written in our notes, this is what the letters are in our notes. So you're looking at C in relation to A.
So,
A is
yeah, C is less than A.
Okay, C is less than A.
Wait.
Do you just draw all your triangles the same?
And it's
Yes.
obtuse, so no triangle.
Wait, so then we're just done?
Yep.
Yeah.
Good. But there's
Oh,
clearly a
sweet.
triangle.
No triangle.
Oh wait, we drew that one, so never mind.
Exactly.
Clearly a triangle. You can plug anything into it. If you want to.
We can dance if you want to.
Alright. Whoa.
It smells like that.
Smells like a cow.
It smells like a squishy.
Yeah.
Because it is
I like it.
Stop smelling the cow.
I like it now.
I'm addicted to cow.
All right, 26. B is equal to 21 degrees. B is equal to 17. And C is equal to 32. So what scenario am I going to have here?
Angle side, which if you pronounce that, it's
Side
Angle.
It's what I said earlier.
All right, so acute or obtuse? It's acute.
The cute one.
So I'm looking at B in relation to C. Is B greater than or equal to C?
It's less. Wait, no, so no.
So no, the answer is no.
I'm sorry, I'm getting lost. When you
The answer is yes or no, and the answer is no. So
I always get lost when you say that.
now I need to find H. So H is equal to C sine B. So 32 sine of 21.
Good. Oh, my calculator's off. I hate when I start typing and I realize my calculator's not on.
Do that a lot.
5. I hate that. Like, it's just
All right.
disgusting. Why is it
So
small?
H in relation to B in relation to C is what?
Than B. So it'd be H is less than B, which is less than C. So there's
B is less than C. Oh my gosh.
2 triangles.
Why?
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what this looks like in Y.
no, thank you.
Hello. What just happened?
What?
That's definitely a triangle.
That's a triangle.
That was it right
Gorgeous
there.
triangle. What?
Because I'm going to have 2 of them.
Attached? Are we doing the swingy thing?
The
I don't
swingy
understand
thing.
that.
All right, so B goes here because it's what we're given.
Beach.
Okay, side B
Oh my God.
side B is going to end up over here.
Stop. Watch your mouth today. We're gonna need to wash your mouth with soap.
I did not mean.
Okay, just drawing like a just
Does it have to be touching or no? Or is
well,
it-
I'm just showing you where it's going so we can fill in the other pieces and then we'll actually draw it in a second. Okay, so the other piece that I'm given is C, which is 32, so that's going over here. Okay, meaning that angle C has to be over here. So then angle A, side A. Alright, so I know that I have 2 triangles. So now I'm going to get rid of that. So I have 2 triangles. So what's going to happen is it's here. When it swings around, it's going to hit twice.
1, 2.
Okay?
Wait.
So what's going to happen is I have the initial one that hits here, which is B equal to 17. But if I find another, it's too pink. If I swing it around, okay, then what's going to happen, and it's not going to be perfect on my page, but if I swing it around, okay, it would actually hit again over here. Okay, so it would also hit right here, making this also B is equal to 17.
That's.
And then this also is going to be an angle C.
Oh, that's confusing.
Okay, it's just part of having
I
2
just
triangles.
like-
So I'm going to draw the 2 triangles separately so that you actually see what we're dealing with, okay? We have the one large triangle.
Bless you.
With this being A up here. The other option that I have is this triangle here that is like that.
Fun times.
Where this is A, and then I guess I should put the C's in here. Okay. For the big triangle, we have that A is obtuse. Okay. I can't spell. And C is acute. And the other one, A is acute. And C is obtuse. Alright, so we're going to solve the first triangle for angle C. So here, I'm going to actually go through and put all the known values in these triangles. So this was B, which is 21 degrees. This is side B, which is 17. Side C was 32. Then side A is here, which we don't know yet. So for triangle 1, I need to find angle A, angle C, and side A. Okay, then triangle 2, it's basically going to be the same thing because it's still the same known information. So triangle 2, I still am finding angle A, angle C, and side A. Whoa. Alright, so for triangle 1, okay, I need to find what first?
Angle
What do I have part of but not the whole thing?
C.
Angle C. Okay, so sine of C over 32 equals the stuff that I was completely given is B. So sine of 21 over 17. So sine of C equals 32 sine of 21 over 17. Take the inverse of that. So C equals the inverse sine of 32 sine of 21 over 17. Okay, so that gave us 42 as an acute angle, so that makes sense. Okay. So now what can I find? A. So A is 180 minus 21 minus 42.
Wait, that's totally wrong. 117.
Okay, so 117 degrees. So then how would I find side A?
You could still use B, right? With the A.
Yes, so I'll still use B as my given information.
Then we could do A over minus 17.
117.
keep forgetting the one. And then sine, 17 over sine 21 equals 17 over 21.
So A equals 17 sine of 117 over the sine of 21.
Sure. Also 42. That's 42. What I got. Seems a little tough, but
Alright, so triangle 1 has been solved. Okay, we have to do triangle 2 now, but we have to do something slightly different to figure out triangle 2, okay? This is why it's important that I emphasize that in one of them, A is obtuse, C is acute, and the other one, A is acute, C is obtuse. If I go through and try to solve it, it's going to come out the same way. So I have to do something a little bit different. Do you remember what is true about this angle and that angle?
If you add them together, they get 180.
Yes.
You add them together, you get 180. So I'm going to take C and do 180 minus C to do triangle 2.
crazy, man. That would be 38.
138. So my new angle C is 138 degrees.
I don't like ones anyways.
So angle B did not change. Angle B is still 21. So what is angle A?
That's not it.
180 minus 138 minus 21.
It'd be 21. Wait. Yeah, wait, right?
21 degrees. Okay, so that meets the requirement. A is acute, C is obtuse.
Not like
So now I just need to find side A. So A over the sine of 21 equals, I would still use your given information of B, so 17 over the sine of 21. So A equals 17 sine of 21 over the sine of 21. Well, this one's nice. You don't even have to do anything.
Oh, cancel out.
Oh, that just
Cancels, so it's just equal to 17. So then side length A is 17. So triangle 2 is much easier to solve. Okay, but you have to make sure you understand.
Well, you also got to get triangle 1 right.
Well, yeah. If you get triangle 1 wrong, triangle 2 is.
Can you scroll down a little?
And then you only get points for trying.
I do not like this problem.
There's only like one of them in the book.
Are you gonna put one on our quiz?
Maybe.
Oh my.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to finish the last two, the area problems, because they're super fast, and I think we can do that in 5 minutes. And then tomorrow I'm going to give you the entire class to work on this, so that way if you have questions, you can ask. That being said, 13.6 notes are due tomorrow, because tomorrow is Wednesday. I can't give it to you to be due Thursday. But if you choose to wait, that's fine. You only have to watch the first 7 minutes and 45 seconds or something like that of that one, I think. All right, so area problems. Okay, so just as a refresher, okay, on our area formulas, I'm sure I have them written down somewhere. Area is equal to 1/2 AB sine C, or 1/2 BC sine A, or 1/2 AC sine B.
It just depends on what they give you.
Yep, it just depends on what they give you. Alright, so 34. Angle C is 96 degrees. Side A is 7. Side B is 15.
So we go with that first one we got.
Yep, so I'm going to use the first one. So area is equal to 1/2 times 7 times 15 times the sine of 96. And we'll just for consistency, we'll say just rounded the whole number is fine.
I got 52.
52.
Wait, or no, because there's no unit.
Your book will round to 1 decimal place, but I'm good with just rounding to the whole number. All right, 36. Angle B is 60 degrees. Side A is 19. Side C is 14.
Then we'll go with that last one.
Okay, yep, the last one. So area equals 1/2 times 19 times 14 times the sine of 60.
115.
Area is 115. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the problems.
That was easy.
Okay, but like I said, you will have all of class tomorrow to work on this. So let me go find where all the problems are so I make sure I cover everything. All right. 3, 7.
That'd be the so all your food that
Oh, we do have all.
would go onto your view.
19, 21, 27, 31, and 35.